Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover a Google account that has been disabled due to age restriction. So let's get started. First, open google.com in your browser and then go to top right side of your screen and you will find your profile icon. Click on this and select manage your Google account. Once you are in, scroll down until you find See Help option. Click on the arrow and a panel will appear at the right side. Now here, look for the Need More Help option and click on the Ask the Help community. This will appear a set of questions regarding to your issue or the problem you are facing. So here first you have to write the issue. Then here you have to explain your issue in detail. Now here you have to choose your category and then click on next. Now here choose the best description. People use this fine for the similar question or offer help. So you can select any of this and then click on next. Now here you can see several options. Click on your the issue you are facing for and click on next step. Now here you have to add more details, for example the platform. So just from the drop down menu select your platform and then click on next. So once everything was done, click on the post button and that's it. You have successfully filed your issue. If this approved, your account will be restored with all your data. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.